A brush fire alert in West Broward. The fire burning near Holiday Park in the Everglades. The fire has grown to more than 6,600 acres. That as of this morning. A fire weather warning is in effect in areas of Monroe, Miami-Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach counties until 8 o'clock tonight. Crews have contained 85% of the fire. Let's bring in meteorologist Trent Eric to talk about how the weather is impacting today, not as much as previously this week.
Yeah, the winds have shifted, and that's really the big story here today. The dense smoke advisory was allowed to expire early this morning. We always check the radar to see if we got any help from Mother Nature, and as we go through the next couple of days, our rain chance 10% or lower. This morning we woke up, winds out of the northwest. As the afternoon progressed, they shift out of the east-southeast, and right now they continue to be east-southeast, less than 10 miles per hour. That's taking that smoke from the brush fire and pushing it inland over Broward County, away from the metropolitan areas, and the winds are not gusting. Coming up here in a few minutes in your full forecast, we'll let you